Welcome. It is Monday, and I am continuing to block in the floral shapes and leaves. And I'm getting about, like I said, I want to get at least about 80% done in this piece here, getting some leaf and flower shapes blocked in. And then I think what I want to do is for the rest of the week, focus on, I did a little work on the face, but do a little bit more and focus on adding a new layer to the face and the body area to get it, because there's some funky parts in here I'm going to work on. So that is my goal for the day. Happy Monday. Happy creating, and I'm going to start working on my piece here. So I will see you tomorrow.